Welcome to Liliana's Club. Today we're going to make this beautiful raw papaya salad. For this salad, we will need one firm green raw papaya, peel it. Also one medium-sized carrot, peel that as well. Now cut the papaya into half and take the seeds out. Over here I'm using a mandolin with attachment to make juliennes. If you don't have one at home, that's perfectly alright. It just makes even and uniform slices. If you don't have a mandolin, hold the papaya upright on a stable cutting surface and make long and even slices. Try to keep them as even as possible. Do the same with the carrots. Slice them evenly, then stack those slices on top of each other and cut into even strips. Same with the papaya. Now take one yellow bell pepper, take the seeds out, cut it into half and cut it into the similar fashion just like carrot and papaya. Be very careful when using sharp objects in the kitchen, such as knives. This video has been sped up to save time. Chop about 4 to 5 leaves of basil. And now let's make the dressing. For the dressing, take 2 tablespoons of toasted peanuts, 2 chopped green chilies and crush them together. Coarsely grind these two together. Add them to a mixing bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, three teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, squeeze half a lime and mix all the ingredients together. And for the topping, let's make some hot peanut powder. Take 2 tablespoons of toasted peanuts, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and coarsely crush them. Now let's take all our prepped veggies and mix it with the dressing. Not only this salad is vibrant and colorful, it's also very healthy. If you haven't noticed, we have not used a single drop of oil in this salad. How cool is that? And now it's time to serve this beauty on a plate. I just can't wait to eat this. But before I do, one last step. Yes, you guessed right. The hot peanut powder. Sprinkle it generously all over your salad. It enhances the texture, the flavor, and overall appearance of your salad. Here it is, all yours. Enjoy! If you did use a mandolin to prep your veggies, your salad will look like this. Very even threads just like noodles. But nevertheless, it will taste just as great. So if you like this recipe, try it at home and let us know in the comments how you prepped your veggies, with a mandolin or with knives. Till next time, bye bye.